Air sirens, blackouts, emergency evacuations. While it may sound like a wartime scenario, it's actually a preparedness exercise, one that's set to take place across several Indian states on 7th May. The last such drill was conducted in the run-up to the 1971 war between India and Pakistan.
1971 के बाद का पहली बार का ये अनाउंसमेंट हुई है और हम इसके लिए पूरी तरह तैयार है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो कॉल दी है, दिल्ली की जनता ये दिल वालों की दिल्ली है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के साथ दिल से खड़ी है।
The Ministry of Home Affairs has directed states to conduct mock drills aimed at assessing civil defense readiness in the event of a hostile attack.
कल 7 मई को जो एयर रेड्स होती हैं, किसी पोटेंशियल एयर रेड से बचने के लिए मॉक ड्रिल कराई जाएगी।
While this exercise is not a signal of immediate conflict, it is a part of broader civil defense preparations.
मॉक ड्रिल से कुछ तरीके होते हैं, उस हिसाब से मॉक ड्रिल्स किए जाते हैं, तो जो भी उसमें एडिशनल इंस्ट्रक्शंस आएंगे उसके हिसाब से मॉक ड्रिल की जाएगी।
What is a mock drill? A mock drill is a simulated emergency operation designed to test how individuals and institutions respond to crisis situations. From alert system to evacuation protocols, every element is scrutinized for efficiency and effectiveness.
कल हम मॉक ड्रिल करके जो हमारी जो अपनी यंत्रणा है, जिसमें वॉलंटियर्स हैं और सायरन्स हैं, इसकी यंत्रणा वगैरह कब कार्बनित करके उसकी फीडबैक लेंगे और उसके हिसाब से जहां पे जैसी जैसी इंप्रूवमेंट की जरूरत होगी उसके हिसाब से कर देंगे।
According to the government sources, the nationwide drills on 7th May will focus on 5 key areas. Number 1, activation of air raid warning sirens. Officials will test the functionality of air raid sirens, simulating a warning of an incoming attack. This is a part of the drill to ensure that they can effectively alert the public in the event of an imminent threat.
इस मॉक ड्रिल के अंदर जो एयर सायरन्स होते हैं वो एयर सायरन्स बजाए जाएंगे तथा उसके बाद में जो जनरल पब्लिक है, आम जनता को ये बताया जाएगा, एजुकेट किया जाएगा कि एयर सायरन बजने के ऊपर क्या आपने को करना है।
Number 2, training of civilians and students. Workshops and on-ground training sessions will be held to educate citizens, including students, on basic civil defense techniques such as taking over and responding calmly during emergencies. Number 3, implementation of crash blackout measures. Authorities will simulate a city-wide blackout to practice switching off lights rapidly, a traditional method to avoid detection during aerial assaults. Number 4, camouflaging of key installations. Vital infrastructures such as power plants and communication hubs will be mock camouflaged to test how swiftly such protective measures can be deployed in real scenarios. Number 5, updating and rehearsing evacuation plans. The drills will also involve reviewing and testing evacuation protocols, helping local authorities and residents practice moving to safety in an organized manner. Why it matters? Given the prevailing tensions between India and Pakistan, this mock drill is crucial. In today's volatile geopolitical climate, civil defense preparedness is a crucial layer of nation security. These drills help identify loopholes in current system and improve coordination between emergency services, local administrations and the general public. With ceasefire violations and cross-border hostilities between India and Pakistan, readiness at the civilian level becomes an essential part of national defense. Mock drills such as these ensure that in case of an escalation, both authorities and the public are not caught off guard. It's part of a national effort to keep communities prepared, informed and resilient. Preparedness today could mean survival tomorrow.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.